Hey, what's going on? This is Rob from Panther. Today is a special day because we're going to combine football players with superheroes. Now you can call it like football or soccer. I'm going to call it football because I'm from Europe. So as you know, we have the World Cup 2022, and I saw some images on the internet where we got these superstars from football, and they're combined with superheroes eventually. So I was saying, let me test it out, and what if I could make it better eventually? So for reference, I'm going to use Cristiano Ronaldo. We got like Lionel Messi, Neimar, and Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Hope I pronounced it correctly. And then I'm going to show you also how you can customize your images and create like superheroes or whatever you want like this. So now I'm going to actually start from the worst and we're going to build it up to the best. And the worst performer would be Cristiano Ronaldo, because it doesn't matter how many images you upload or try it out with different prompts, MidJourney won't recognize it. Like, it will be really hard to recognize it. This is the one of the image that actually looks pretty accurate. It looks like a sculpture or something like this, which is like molded. And look at this also. It looks like him, but it's kind of unclear and messed up. So there's like two ways to do these. You know, you can upload the reference image and you can combine it with a superhero, or you can do it with the prompt. These are with prompts, but you know, it barely look like Cristiano Ronaldo, like none of them, especially these are like 100% prompts with Cristiano Ronaldo, but it's just really hard to get something accurate. I tried out lots and lots of variations and approaches, but none of them worked out. And then here we have another example where I used reference images. So I used two reference images. The first one was with Cristiano Ronaldo's head, and the second one was with an Iron Man suit. So I uploaded both, combined those, and this is what it came out. But it's weird because it just doesn't look like Cristiano Ronaldo. It distorted the head. There was like multiple reference images and just none of them look like Cristiano Ronaldo. Next, we got Neimar. This was also a special case because the AI had a difficult time dealing with this character. I tried to combine Neimar with the Green Lantern because also, you know, Brazil has a green flag, green and yellow. So the most popular superhero in green was this Green Lantern guy. And this was some of the most accurate one, where basically kind of looks like Neimar, and also here looks like a little bit more like Neimar. It also has like weird issues with the hands. This looks even more. This is with a lot of prompt crafting also. And look at this. This is a pure prompt crafting without any reference images. And it won't look like Neimar, but it's gonna make it like really high definition at the end of the day. And then finally, I managed to make something that actually looks like Neimar, but it messed up the eye. There's no good reference image with Neimar, unfortunately. And check this out. I did it in a different environment, kind of more like a cyberpunk. And it also has these green lights going on. This is like from a dystopian scenario. It's like really dramatic, like how Neimar would look like in a cyberpunk situation where he's like kind of more like a broke guy. And here we got Neimar and Captain America dressed up. So this, I think it came out pretty accurate. It's kind of look like a caricature of Neimar, but it's pretty accurate at the end of the day. And then I also tried out to do it with the Riddler, because also the Riddler from Batman is green, so it really matches the theme style. I again tried to do the prompt crafting as much as I could, but none of these look like Neimar. They look like a Brazilian model. Yeah, so this one, for example, is with reference images. I use the reference image with Neimar, and I also use the reference image with the Riddler. Combine those two together, and again, as you can see, try to create examples that actually looks like Neimar, but they're not that high quality. At the end of the day, it's not the best, but at least they look like Neimar. Again, we got another one. It has literally the yellow and green colors in it, which would be perfect for Neimar, but none of them look like Neimar. Look how dramatic these look. Again, Brazilian model, none of them look like Neimar. And here I combined reference images, and I did also the prompt crafting, and eventually it did this, which is not the Riddler, but it's Neimar in a more high definition style. And now we're going to check it out, Lionel Messi. And this guy was pretty versatile for images because the AI did recognize him. So I had an easier time. Check this out. I also added like 6 fingers. Typical MidJourney. And then we got this version, and then we got like the remastered version. This looks like a caricature, but it looks more like Messi, and this one looks less like a caricature, but it looks like more like a handsome version of Messi. And here you can see it already tried out with Thor, did it with prompt crafting. And here we got like reference images imported also. So it works both ways. It works with prompts and also it works with reference images. With reference images, it's even more easier. It added long hair. It looks like Messi as well. And not but least, we got Zlatan Ibrahimovic. So this guy is the most versatile of all. I used only prompts, no reference images, and it basically adapts to any kind of situations perfectly. So for the first one, I used as reference the Thor. You also got the hammer going on, and then we got another one in suit. It looks exactly like Zlatan. Here in the situation, I tried to make Aquaman out of it, and here it looks even more like Aquaman dressed up in the suit. This is the Iron Man suit, and here it's another Iron Man suit. It just has lots and lots of details, and it's weird that the abdominal area is like exposed. There's like lots of variations, but the facial characteristics and everything is like the perfect representation of the model. This here is Poseidon. I don't know if it's pronounced correctly. And this is like a Greek god. In this situation, you can see it's made out of marble because most of the time you can see this in statue. But so far, these are it. And now I'm going to show you how to incorporate the images and combine them together. Now I'm going to show you how to craft these with reference images. And if you want to know how to assemble these complex prompts that are going to give you these high resolution studio shots, you can join the YouTube members only page, click on the join button, select secret content, and check out a lot more tutorials like these with prompts with MidJourney, Photoshop, and Illustrator. Alright, so I won't use images from Google because some of them are like copyrighted, but I downloaded some images from unsplash.com, and I'm going to leave a link in the description if you want to download those. Now in my situation, I'm going to use the free images. You also can download from Google and assemble it. All you need to do is click on this plus, click on upload a file, and I'm going to select this guy with the suit, type in enter, upload the image. I'm going to click on plus, upload, and I'm going to upload the image with the portrait, click on enter. So the first one is a guy in suit, and the second one, it is just a portrait. And we're going to combine this portrait's face with the suit. So I'm going to go with the suit first, right click on the suit, click on copy link, type in /imagine, enter, Control V, add space. Now I'm going to click on the portrait, right click, copy link, make sure to have space between the links, press Control V. There's like a tricky situation where you can also press enter and it will automatically do the job, and sometimes it will say you cannot do it. So what I'm going to do is select these links, press Control C, and I'm going to enter it like this to see what happens. It works. And now I can type in /imagine, type in enter, Control V, space, and you also can enter some prompts you want. I'm going to enter in pink suit with a marsh with a candy in the hand, and we get the results. So the first one is without any prompts. You can see it assembled perfectly the head with the body and suit. All four examples look exactly the same with small adjustments. And then we get the prompt in pink suit with the candy in the hand. Oh well, I should have specified what the candy to be, but it looks similar as the photo reference. And then we got cinematic, which messed it up a little bit, but you can see him in some science fictional scenarios at least. So this was it. Thanks for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at end. Have a good one. Bye bye.